So we decided I'm going to start putting these back on. These go on the porch, the front porch, and some of them are still left on, but many of them had to be taken off or were destroyed and had fallen off years before. Basically, I need to take this board off here. There is a couple other three design pieces down here. I'll have to make them separate. And then the other deal is right here. You can see we have some major rot that occurred when the roof got compromised and water was just coming right down through here. So I need to carefully take this off and then assess what's going to happen here. Whether I take all the rotted wood out. I don't really want to destroy this, though, so I'm going to have to be very careful. Fill it in with good wood. I'm not sure. So I'll give you an update later, but that's where we're at.